Good morning, guys. Guess what just came? The girl at the post office just called and said my chickens have arrived. And here they are. Looky here. So Bruce and I got this whole little thing set up. We've got the thermometers in here. We're up to 93 degrees right now. We wanted it 95 the first week. We've got the pine chips. And of course, most of you know this is not my first rodeo, but we went a little bit above and beyond this time since sometimes we've had as much as 100 come at one time. This time we have 64, as long as everybody's okay in the box. And we did this so that the water doesn't leak everywhere. We've got this nice long feeder that we bought at Norfolk Feed and Seed yesterday, which we have some of those out there in the building. And then we got a couple new lights. So we're all set to go, and we're excited to finally get these meat chickens. And I did order a few of the Jersey Giants, unless they substituted, but they didn't say yet. So let's see what we got. And I'm gonna put each one of them one at a time in here and introduce them to the water. Oh, there's the little Jersey Giants. Look, hello. Hello, babies. Hello. Oh, Julie and Sophia like, what? No, guys, you can't get any, guys. All right, so let's start. These are the Cornish. Get the little beaks in. There we go. Look at that. They're really thirsty when they get here. They're yummy. Yummy. And then we'll, after they get their water, we'll start. And these are the red roasters. There you go. They're all looking good. Look. Oh, we got a little busybody. There, little baby. You look like you're tired. Let's get you some water. Okay. Get you some water. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna be back with, I've got them all unloaded and in the little pan. They're now all in here and they're still getting warm. They're moving around good. Everybody seems to be content. And these little pans here, we bought these at Tractor Supply. And we got them, we have all our lamps outside now still, but we had to get new lamps. And you always make sure you get the ones with that can hold the heat. And they're not plastic, they're more of a ceramic. And make sure you have thermometers so you know how to judge the temperature. And looks like everybody's gonna do really good. Everybody's happy and everybody was alive. Yay! 96 on this side, and you can see how they're moving around more freely. Still drinking water. Still drinking water. And then over here, we're still right at 95, but they're a little bunched up. So I expect the temperature to rise a little bit more. And if not, I may have to add another heat lamp. And then they'll be moving more freely. But you can see how over here, they're moving around. And after they get enough water, I'm gonna go ahead and add the feed. And what I wanted to tell you about the water was the water, there's a book called Fresh Eggs Daily which I know a lot of you probably know her, Lisa Steele, which she has some great books. And you'll want to get those books because they tell you so much good information about your chickens. And we add 1 clove of garlic to a gallon of water, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And you always get we actually make our own apple cider vinegar, so we have plenty of it. But you can get the Bragg vinegar with the mother, and ours has the mother too. But that really helps them, and they really do like it, and it helps them to keep from getting sick, or try to helps them stay healthy. What else I wanted to tell you was that I've been ordering from McMurray, and I've had good success from McMurray, and there are other hatcheries, and we've used one other one. And that night we got down to like 16 degrees. That was not a good night. We lost a lot of those chicks, but it's not the company's fault. It's just that they were, so cold. So we've been sticking with McMurray. So you can check that out online. We hang these lights from, these are some bird feeder hangers that we had when we had parakeets years ago, and we have been using these ever since, and they work out really good. And also I've used them for plant hangers when we don't have chickens. And we've got the Country Line barrel from Tractor Supply. This is the, I think, $179 barrel. I'm so excited to show you these little guys, and I just had mentioned to Bruce that we wanted to get more chickens, and he was over there on the computer looking around, and here we go. So here we are. I'm just super excited, and I can't stop looking at them. At this early stage, sometimes when they go to the bathroom, you'll see on the back of their tails, they get sometimes it'll get hard. I've seen it more with the silkies, the little bantam type chickens, but also it happens to them. You're gonna want to get that off because they can't go to the bathroom if they had it there. So it's it's almost just like, I guess, pasty butt. The butt gets really hard with the stool, and it's hard, and you need to get it off so they can go to the bathroom. And they say sometimes that the apple cider vinegar can help with that too. So now that we've got all the feed mixed in, we've got the grit mixed in, and this is the meat bird feed. So we want to add this little gel pro right on the top. And once I put it in there, they'll have the little slots to get in there and get the feed and the little gel pro plus. And then after the first 24 hours, you can take this up if there's any left. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. Okay, here they go with their first meal. We just now put the feed in with the little grow gel. And look at that. Peep, peep, peep. Look at this little guy. This makes me so happy. This makes me so happy. Well, it's been here now for a few hours, and everybody's doing really good. Sunny is like driving himself crazy over here chirping. What about me, Mama? What about me? Come over here. But look, everyone is doing good. Temperatures are holding perfectly. Staying nice and warm. Well, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Well, now it's, what, 8 o'clock tonight? And everybody is looking really good. They were going to sleep over here, starting to go to sleep. We've already had to fill the tray up so you can see all the grow gel is gone. And the waters we just filled up again. And everybody's doing good. Temperatures remain pretty good. We've checked them, but it did get hot today. So we was up to 76 degrees today. So we had to lift them up and down. But everything's looking good. These are the books I was talking about earlier in the video. And she also has another one that I have not gotten yet. But these are really good for great ideas. And lots of little recipes and things. Okay, thanks guys.